It's a gift from my best friend Shiny. It's a bird nest fern and it's huge. So I just can't resist to show it off. I had to think a lot to find a suitable place to keep this plant where it can spread its leaves full and also get indirect bright sunlight. The leaves are pretty big, spread from the central rosette. Naturally, old leaves have their struggle stories reflected in the scars and torn edges. This fern is native to tropical areas and love moisture, but as it is in a pot, I will water it full but only after the soil dries up. And now in summer, I will spray water in the evening or in early morning and keep the leaves moist. Yes, 3 new leaves are coming out, so hope to see fresh new leaves soon. I just love this plant.